you looking for strip views in a single level home with 4 bedrooms in Henderson with no HOA on a budget? Guess what? Here it is. I can't wait for you to come in and check out this super cute home. Come on. So not only do you have this huge backyard you could put a pool in and unobstructed strip views, you are literally walking distance from the Water Street District and my favorite restaurant, Juan's Flamin' Fajitas. So if you would like a closer look of this sweet home, all my contact info is below. Just shoot me out a message or a text or an email and I will get right back to you and set that up. Thanks so much. I'm Wendy Goss and I would love to be your real estate boss. Let's go check it out. Here it is. And it could be amazing. For you to check out this super cute car. Drive. It's so good. For you. I already said I found it for you in the other one. Okay.